We all know about two-way radios and their ability to coordinate communications instantly, but do you know all the extra capabilities of radio? Conventional analog radios send out modulated audio signals on specific radio frequencies to each other, generating a radio frequency signal and overlaying your voice on top of it. These radio frequencies for years have carried one voice for one radio channel. Cool. So now what? By leveraging today's digital radio technology, or DMR, digital mobile radio, we do a conversion process in the radio that takes your voice and radio frequency and digitizes it. Once a signal is digitized, it becomes data similar to the data on your computer, and this radio frequency data can then be manipulated through radios. Enhancements include gaining a second talk path on the same frequency using TDMA, or time division multiple access, and better clarity of audio versus the scratchy audio we used to hear when getting further away from the transmitter. A lot better than those walkie-talkies you had when you were 10, right? There are 5 main systems with these high-tech digital radios. A conventional radio system is the most basic system you can use working over a small distance. Usually these systems are for a single place with a small amount of users, around 1 to 150, while using a single repeater on top of the building, making it great for small to mid-sized businesses in need of radios. The second is an IP Site Connect radio system. This system works for the same amount of people as the previous system, but it uses repeaters in different locations connected together over the customer's existing data network, working as a bridge to take in smaller signals and launch them across large distances. This allows the system to stretch over different locations miles apart. But what if you're a company over 100 people? A Capacity Plus system takes a group of repeaters and links them to work as a functional unit. This linking of repeaters allows them to communicate together over a local network and enhance performance of the system by becoming a traffic cop on the amount of users accessing the system.
When a user wants to use their system and it is being tied up by another user, the system sends them to another available channel, thus sharing resources.
We create an efficient use of the radio spectrum, which allows for even more users on the system. Depending on the number of repeaters linked together at a single site, this will determine the amount of users in their respective talk groups that the company can have. A linked Capacity Plus, or multi-site Capacity Plus, allows for those larger customers to now connect their large system over multiple sites or campuses that are miles apart. Similar to an IP Site Connect, the Link Capacity Plus does the same, but with greater capacity. And finally, Capacity Max, for those users or corporations with a multitude of sites and thousands of users. Capacity Max offers wide area, high capacity, digital mobile radio system capable of providing the widest coverage with the most uses. These digital radios also have integrated data applications such as GPS tracking, work order management, which allows you to send out a text that automatically states that you are requesting maintenance, automatic dispatching signal, man down, which when enabled, if the radio lies face down for a certain amount of time, it will send out a signal for help, and now indoor location tracking, which allows for radios to be pinpointed inside a certain location, and of course, texting, to share information when voice communication is inconvenient. Only Motorola's MOTOTRBO platform allows for a progression of communication systems to scale your business's needs. In addition, MOTOTRBO offers third-party software applications within radio systems, creating further value to your purchase.